or UNGA, is an assembly of representatives from all 193 UN member states, and its president is elected on a yearly basis. The president is the chair and presiding officer of the General Assembly, a role that carries substantial responsibilities and influence. And how does one become the president of the UNGA, you might wonder? The process is fascinatingly democratic. It all begins in September when the Assembly's annual session commences. It is during this session that the election of the president takes place. But there's a twist. The presidency rotates annually between 5 geographic groups: African, Asia-Pacific, Eastern European, Latin American and Caribbean, and Western European and other states. This rotation ensures that no single region dominates the presidency, fostering a spirit of global representation and equality. Interestingly, some of the world's largest and most powerful countries have never held the UNGA presidency. These include the People's Republic of China, France, Japan, Russia, the United Kingdom, and the United States. In fact, it is customary that no permanent member of the United Nations Security Council ever serves as UNGA president. This tradition further reinforces the principle of equal representation, ensuring that the smaller, less influential nations also get a chance to lead. Any special or emergency special assemblies that occur over the next year will also be presided over by the UNGA president. This means that the elected individual not only leads the main annual session, but also any unexpected meetings that might arise.
Presenting list of President of United Nations General Assembly. That now in 2023, the President is Denis Franczyk, and in 2021, the President was Abdullah Shahid from Maldives. And similarly, this is representing the list of President of United Nations General Assembly. In 2012, the President was from Hungary, and in 2020, the President was from Turkey. Similarly, in 2019, President was from Nigeria. Then in 2018, President was Ecuador. In 2016, President was from Fiji, and the first President Belgium, and his name was Paul Kennedy. He was the first President of United Nations General Assembly.